To enable the Bluetooth scanning feature on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra for better location accuracy, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find location. Tap location and then tap location services. Under improve accuracy section, tap the gray on option next to Bluetooth scanning until the switch turns blue to turn it on. When this option is on, this feature will improve location accuracy by allowing apps and services to scan for nearby Bluetooth devices and beacon, so your phone can provide better navigation, more accurate proximity-based services, and improve experiences with apps that rely on location data like maps, tracking tools, or smart home system. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.